I am Amy, as Harry said. I am the global community builder for NetSquared. I'm also a general NP techer, blogger, facilitator, workshop extraordinaire. Not really, but I do it. What is NetSquared? This is a nonprofit organization. It's been around for 4 years now, started by TechSoup Global. And we're still officially an initiative of them. And we work on the very huge intersection of technology and social change, or social benefit, or whatever term your organization is allowed to identify for tax deductible reasons. We do that in 3 ways. We have content on the website for people to share ideas, lessons. We are already at the challenge. Our challenges are either through NetSquared or with partners, and these are just open calls for innovative ideas, either focused on a specific technology like mobile or mashup, or on a certain sector like health or international development. Why participate in the challenge? Challenges are an awesome idea to find people that are passionate and smart and are already working on something that you are really interested in, whether it's your sector or an actual project that you've been baking up in your head as well. And you can participate in a whole lot of ways. You can enter a project or an idea that you have at any time in our global project gallery, but you can also enter for specific open challenges if you meet the criteria. You can also attend our conference where the 15 featured projects come and get to work with them in person, find out how you can get involved in what they're working on. So the whole point of this is global versus local. And global is awesome. It's like a conference like this. You bring together all kinds of people that you would never meet with otherwise, but local is really important because those are the people that every single day you're going to see and you're going to work with. That's where the real coalitions can build from the ground up. So the new localism is what we're thinking about, and what you can do with the strength of your local community, the partnerships, funders, nonprofits, people on the ground that are actually experiencing the problems that you want to face. So how does local work? We have Net Tuesdays, like Sarah said, around the world. This is a great way to find people that are already working on technology and social change/benefit, or hosting local challenges, much like the global scale challenge in your local community. So the Net2 focus. We want to be everywhere, but we can't be everywhere because we are 3 people that live in 3 different time zones and work in Google Apps. But with you, we can be local. So local solutions include Net Tuesdays, and that's a big thing that I'm working on right now because I see the power of local organizers and what they can do when they just create monthly events that turn into a huge platform for local people to talk to each other about what they're working on. We're in 45 cities around the world right now with about a dozen that are emailing with me and figuring out if they're ready. And I would love to email with all of you, figure out if you're ready. But I know there's some organizers in here already, so they're superstars. So what happens in the Net Tuesday? Well, it's really up to the local community. We want you to be able to create that platform for people to talk about what they're doing, to actually create projects in their local community that they turn into a challenge. So, Net Tuesdays and challenges. This is the whole point, really, what I wanted to say, is that we want to take our global platform for innovation challenges and put it in your hands so that you can use our platform to find innovative ideas in your local community and surface them and create a whole happy, magical sphere of change. So, we've already figured out the challenge platform. We can take in your ideas, we can allow voting, we can get feedback, all of that stuff. So all you have to do is want to change the world. And we know that you want to, and we want to. So what we're hoping is that you will let us help you start changing the world one community at a time in your local community. So, is that to change? Yes. How do we keep the conversation going? Well, I'm going to have like an old school conference call style, and we're going to talk about people that actually want to see this happen and how we can start making it turn into something that could possibly then actually happen. Here is the link where you can find all of the Net Tuesdays that are already happening. So if there's one in your city, all you have to do is show up. If there isn't one in your city, all you have to do is email me and we'll make it happen and then you can show up. So again, these slides are up there. My email is all over the web. My name is Googleable. Yeah.